What's up, everybody? You know it's your boy there, back with another video, guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video. Guys, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright, guys, so this video is I'm gonna show you guys how to reset your smart cloud TV Imperial. So this video is showing you how to reset your smart cloud TV Imperial, but we have to do a couple steps before we can start the processing. Alright, guys, doing this processing, it will delete all your data. Your data meaning if your YouTube data, all these datas, these apps, it will start fresh. This process will give you a fresh clean of your system when you do a system recovery, and it will reset everything on your smart cloud TV Imperial. If this is the video that you want to reset everything and download back all these apps, I have a video on my channel showing you how to download them back. If you wish to do a system reset, I'm gonna show you how. So this is a disclaimer, guys. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, do not do it. I won't take any responsibility for your TV. Guys, this is a disclaimer. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna show you how I get to this part. So guys, we're on the main screen and we're gonna go on settings. So now we are on settings, guys. We're gonna go to command, and we are on command. So we are on command and we are on system. So we're gonna go down to where we see system recovery. Now, guys, I'm gonna click it. Now you will get this screen, guys, telling you what will happen when you do a system recovery. The system recovery is telling you that it will delete all of your datas, remaining anything that you have downloaded on it. It will delete it. It will give you a fresh start. It's like you just bought the TV. So you bought the TV with no data. So you will have to install back all your favorite apps and all your favorite movies. Alright, guys, I am not going to click recovery, but for the sake of this video, this is the part leading you to system recovery. So this is the part to lead you to system recovery. If you wish to do a system recovery, it will reset your PC, delete all the datas, and restore all the settings. So guys, if you do something on your TV and you don't know how to fix it, you can do a recovery and it will reset back your TV. So this is a disclaimer, guys. So do this at your own risk. I take no blame on it, but if you do it, please let me know. Please let me know if it worked for you guys. And this video is just showing you, it's pointing you to where you can do your system recovery. It will restart back your your TV as brand new. I don't think it will do any damage to your TV. It will just reset back everything like it's brand new. Like when you just get the TV out of a box, you have no data on it and you have nothing on it. So guys, click recovery and you follow the guide steps. I think your TV will turn off and turn off and on, and you will get a system reset. So it will reset everything on your TV. So guys, if this worked for you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. So guys, I will see you in the next video.